Welcome to Chemistry Academy, Fajandar High School and Junior College, Wahur. Now, student, in this video lecture, we are going to start a second chemical properties of halogen derivative, that is elimination reaction, or it is called as beta elimination or 1,2 elimination. Now, elimination reaction in 11th standard we have discussed to eliminate a reaction in which atom or group of atom is eliminated, and such reaction is known as elimination reaction. But what is exact beta elimination reaction or 1,2 elimination reaction, that we will try to cover with 3 or 4 example. So आज का अपना point है elimination reaction or beta or 1,2 elimination reaction. Now it is a reaction of alkyl halide. When alkyl halide having at least one beta hydrogen atom, when alkyl halide having at least one beta hydrogen atom. Now beta hydrogen atom means we can say the hydrogen atom which is attached to beta carbon atom. What is beta hydrogen atom? The hydrogen atom which is attached to beta carbon atom. And what is beta carbon atom? A carbon atom which is attached to alpha carbon atom. A carbon atom which is attached to alpha carbon atom. And what is alpha carbon atom? So the carbon to which functional group is attached. What is alpha carbon? A carbon to which functional group is attached. Such carbon is called as alpha carbon. Such carbon is called as alpha carbon. और alpha carbon को जो carbon attached रहेगा, that is your beta carbon. And hydrogen atom attached to beta carbon, that is called as your beta hydrogen atom. For example, I am writing here ethyl chloride, CH3, CH2, Cl. Now this one is your ethyl chloride. Now in case of ethyl chloride, my functional group is halide. Now this halide attached to carbon number 1. So this carbon is called as alpha carbon, and to this carbon, carbon number 2 is attached. So this carbon is called as your beta carbon, and these hydrogen atoms are beta hydrogen atom. These hydrogen atoms are alpha hydrogen atom. So in this case, ethyl chloride, how many beta hydrogen atoms are there? 3. Now what is my beta elimination reaction? So when alkyl halide containing at least one beta hydrogen atom heated with alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide, heated with or boiled with alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide. Now AlCO means alcoholic. Alcohol act as a solvent, means potassium hydroxide को क्या में dissolve किया अपन ने? Alcoholic solvent में. So when alkyl halide containing beta hydrogen atom is heated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, in this case the hydrogen atom from beta position and halogen atom from alpha position is eliminated to form alkene. In this case, the one beta hydrogen atom or hydrogen atom from beta position and halogen atom from alpha position is removed, eliminate. Now यहाँ से अगर मैंने एक hydrogen atom remove किया, so that CH3 will convert into CH2. CH3 will convert into CH2, and इधर से अपन क्या eliminate करेंगे? Cl. So this single bond will convert into double bond CH2 plus HCl. Now hydrogen atom from beta position and Cl from alpha position, this reaction is known as elimination reaction. Now why it is called as beta elimination, why it is called as 1,2 elimination? अब इसको 1,2 elimination क्यों बोलेंगे? From one carbon number 1 halogen is eliminated, and from carbon number 2 hydrogen is eliminated. And why it is called beta elimination? Because hydrogen is eliminated from beta position and that's why this reaction is known as beta. 1,2 reactions are beta, 1,1 reactions are alpha, and this reaction is known as elimination reaction. So what is my elimination reaction? When alkyl halide containing at least one alpha beta hydrogen atom heated with, this is a symbol of heat, heated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, it undergoes elimination. That is, hydrogen atom from beta carbon and halogen atom from alpha carbon, H and Cl, क्या remove होगा? HCl, and this alkyl group will convert into alkene, and this reaction is known as beta elimination or 1,2 elimination. Now in this case, the removal of hydrogen and halogen, that is removal of hydrogen halides, and that's why this reaction is also known as dehydrohalogenation. This reaction is also known as dehydrohalogenation. Now DED, it means removal. Okay, removal of hydrogen and halogen, that is your hydrogen halides. This reaction is also known as dehydrohalogenation. So dear student, hope you have understand what is the mean alpha carbon. किसको बोलूंगा मैं अल्फा कार्बन? अ कार्बन टू विच फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज अटैच्ड, मतलब ऐसा कार्बन जिसको हेलोजन अटैच्ड है, दिस इज योर अल्फा कार्बन. अल्फा कार्बन को जो कार्बन अटैच्ड है दैट इज योर बीटा कार्बन. हाइड्रोजन एटम अटैच्ड टू बीटा कार्बन्स आर कॉल्ड एज बीटा हाइड्रोजन. नाउ टेक नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. सपोज आई एम राइटिंग हियर CH2Br. Now this one is your 1-bromopropane. It is your 1-bromopropane or N-propyl bromide react with or heated with alcoholic. It is heated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Now here Br attached to carbon number 1. This is carbon number 2. This is carbon number 3. So here carbon number 1, it is called as alpha carbon. कार्बन नंबर 1 को अपन क्या बोलेंगे? अल्फा. दिस वन इज योर बीटा, दिस वन इज योर गामा, डेल्टा, ओमेगा एंड सो ऑन. ओके, अल्फा कार्बन, बीटा कार्बन, गामा कार्बन, नेक्स्ट रहा तो डेल्टा, ओमेगा, ये एक सीरीज रहती. ओके, नाउ व्हेन अल्कोहलिक कंडीशन इज गिवन, which condition is given? Alcoholic, definitely your reaction will be elimination. और अब यहाँ पर reaction कैसे होगा? यहाँ पर now Br, that is halogen from alpha carbon and one hydrogen from beta carbon. So CH2 के पास से क्या रिमूव होगा? H, and CH2 कार्बन नंबर 1 के पास से Br, means there is a removal of, क्या रिमूव हो जाएगा? HBr. क्या रिमूव होगा? HBr. Now no effect on CH3. This CH3 remain as it is. So see, my product is CH3. Okay, this single bond, now CH2 will convert into CH. कि उधर से क्या रिमूव हुआ? 1 H, ये H रिमूव. Okay, now this single bond convert into double bond and CH2Br will convert into CH2. CH2Br will convert into CH2, and this is known as 1-propene. Here 1-bromopropane convert into 1-propene, and this reaction is known as 1,2 elimination. क्योंकि दो कार्बन से ग्रुप्स रिमूव है, कार्बन नंबर 1 से हेलोजन एंड कार्बन नंबर 2 से हाइड्रोजन. This reaction is known as dehydrohalogenation. This reaction is known as beta elimination reaction. So this is all about elimination reaction, that is beta elimination or dehydrohalogenation. Now student, my one example. Suppose here 2-chlorobutane is given to you. Now here your reactant is 2-chlorobutane. ऑप्टिकल एक्टिविटी में अपन ने देखे थे. ओके, नाउ इन दिस केस विच वन इज अल्फा कार्बन एंड विच वन इज बीटा कार्बन? विच वन इज अल्फा कार्बन एंड विच वन इज बीटा कार्बन? कौन सा अल्फा कार्बन रहेगा? सो दिस कार्बन इज योर अल्फा कार्बन टू विच हाइड्रोजन इज अटैच्ड. आई एम राइट? This carbon is your alpha carbon. Now next to alpha अल्फा कार्बन को जो कार्बन अटैच रहेगा दैट इज योर बीटा. सो दिस कार्बन इज योर बीटा, दिस कार्बन इज योर बीटा, बिकॉज बोथ दिस कार्बन आइटम अटैच टू अल्फा कार्बन. ये दोनों भी कार्बन किसको अटैच्ड है? अल्फा कार्बन. दैट्स व्हाई these carbons are called as beta carbon atoms. So can I say here two types of beta hydrogen atoms are there? Here beta carbon containing 2 hydrogen atom, here beta carbon containing 3 hydrogen atom. So if more than one type of beta hydrogen atoms are there, here we will get 2 products. अब मुझे यहां पर कितने products मिलेंगे? 2. In one case hydrogen will eliminate from this beta carbon and halogen from alpha carbon. अगर यहां से मैंने हाइड्रोजन एलिमिनेट किया तो डबल बॉन्ड इधर बनेगा. This CH2 will convert into CH. No effect on CH3 and CH3. तो मेरा प्रोडक्ट देखो क्या होगा? CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH डबल बॉन्ड. अब ये CH2 काय में कन्वर्ट होगा? CH सिंगल बॉन्ड CH3. मींस माय प्रोडक्ट इज CH3 single bond CH. This single bond will convert into double bond. This CH2 will convert into CH single bond CH3, and now this is called as butene or 2-butene. कहां से रिमूव किया मैंने? हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम CH2, दिस बीटा कार्बन. सपोज हाइड्रोजन बीटा हाइड्रोजन एलिमिनेट फ्रॉम दिस कार्बन. अगर मैं यहां से बीटा हाइड्रोजन एलिमिनेट कर रहा तो ये CH3 क्या में कन्वर्ट होगा? CH2. दिस सिंगल बॉन्ड कन्वर्ट इनटू डबल बॉन्ड. मींस माय प्रोडक्ट CH2. एग्री? डबल बॉन्ड CH, ओके, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH3 मींस माय प्रोडक्ट इज butene or 1-butene plus HCl. Okay, plus HCl, side product. Now here, why we got 2 different products? Why we got 2 products? Because 2 types of beta hydrogen atoms are there. Okay, in one case, beta hydrogen eliminate from CH2, this product. Beta hydrogen eliminate from CH3, this product. अब क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि which product is a preferential product, preferred product? Which product is a प्रीफरेंशियल प्रोडक्ट या विच प्रोडक्ट इज प्रीफेयर्ड प्रोडक्ट? अब प्रीफेयर्ड का मतलब होता है मेजर क्वांटिटी में. मुझे मेजर क्वांटिटी में कौन सा प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा? ब्यूट 2 इन मिलेगा या ब्यूट 1 इन मिलेगा? नाउ प्रीफरेंशियल या प्रीफेयर्ड प्रोडक्ट या मेजर प्रोडक्ट इज ब्यूट 2 इन एंड माय माइनर प्रोडक्ट इज ब्यूट 1 in. And why this is so? For that purpose one rule is given. इसके लिए एक रूल दिया हुआ है and that is called as your Set-Zeph rule. This rule is called as your Set-Zeph rule. कौन सा रूल फॉलो करूंगा मैं यहां पर? Set-Zeph rule. अब what is Set-Zeph rule? Set-Zeph rule क्या है? When two alkene can be formed by dehydrohalogenation. मैंने यहां से क्या रिमूव किया? हाइड्रोजन एंड हैलोजन. और जिसमें से भी हाइड्रोजन हैलोजन रिमूव होते दैट इज कॉल्ड एज dehydrohalogenation. So when 2 alkene can be formed by dehydrohalogenation, the preferred alkene, the preferred product is that alkene which has highly or greater alkyl group attached to doubly bonded carbon. The preferred product is that alkene which has greater number of या large number of alkyl group attached to doubly bonded carbon. अब here this is your doubly bonded carbon. ये 2 कार्बन के बीच में डबल बॉन्ड है. Here doubly bonded carbons are दिस. अब अगर मैं ये 2 डबली बॉन्डेड कार्बन देखूंगा तो इसको राइट में एक अल्किल ग्रुप अटैच्ड है और लेफ्ट में एक अल्किल ग्रुप अटैच्ड है. मतलब कितने अल्किल ग्रुप अटैच्ड हो गए? 2. नाउ हियर हाउ मेनी अल्किल ग्रुप्स आर अटैच्ड? ओनली 1. दैट इज योर पार्ट. Here only one alkyl group is attached. No alkyl group attached to left hand side. So which one is highly alkylated alkene? Yeah, in which case large number of alkyl group attached to carbon double bond. That is your first case, and that's why 2-butene is a major product or it is a preferred product, and this rule is called as Setzeff rule. So what is your Setzeff rule? When 2-alkene can be formed by dehydrohalogenation, the preferred product is that alkene which has large number of alkyl group attached to doubly bonded carbon atom, and this rule is called as Setzeff rule, and this is all about your reaction, that is elimination reaction. So what is the elimination reaction? When alkyl halides containing at least one beta hydrogen atom is heated with alcoholic पोटाशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, इट अंडरगोज एलिमिनेशन. और कैसा एलिमिनेशन होगा? हाइड्रोजन एटम फ्रॉम बीटा कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन एटम फ्रॉम अल्फा कार्बन. हाइड्रोजन एटम फ्रॉम बीटा कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन एटम फ्रॉम अल्फा कार्बन. So this reaction is known as beta elimination, 1,2 elimination, or it is dehydrohalogenation, and this is all about your second type of chemical property, that is elimination reaction. Now in my next video lecture, the most important part of chemical properties we will start, that is substitution reaction. What is substitution reaction? What is nucleophilic substitution reaction? What is unimolecular? What is bimolecular? In next video lecture we will try to cover. Hope you have understood this part. घर जाके इसको अच्छे से practice करो, note down all this example and try to solve the different examples given in your textbook. Thank you.